Stop watching me. What are you staring at?
It's not even going. Oh, hi.
Sit down well
Hi.
so you can see.
Hi guys, it's me, Mackenzie, and today I'm gonna do my first slime video. I have these two slimes and they're from a restaurant. My mom barely opened them for me and they only cost 25 cents. And this is how the first one looks like. If I could get close to the camera. I have this clear purplish one that's clear slime but looks purple. Oh, this one's... It's running away from me. And I have this blue bubble slime. Because inside when you do this, there's bubbles inside. So it's a bubble slime. And today you know that these slimes are good slimes. So we are gonna try to put it on this one. Wait, no, this one is for blue. I am going to put it like this. See? Like this and like that. And I'm gonna give her like this. Comic. And then this. Oh! It looks like a big blue slobby slime. Yep. So since, guys, you know that these came out of these balls, so we are going to put this in and squeeze it. I just broke the ball. I know, it's stuck with the blue one. Oh, there you go, there's no blue on it anymore. So we have these two balls. It's kind of confusing because we have two balls we have these balls. For you don't get confused, guys. So it's kind of confusing which one's who. Well, this one feels like the purple because it's on the side of the purple. And this feels like this like this and this is like this. So I'm just gonna put them inside of the slime. So guys, as you can see, I have this big bucket. I cannot see my face, but there's a big bucket, and we are gonna put in these things. We don't need them. And if you don't know, I'm on my table from my kitchen. Oh. Hey. So we have these lines and...
Hope you like my video.
Right. Oopsie, I forgot to say subscribe to my video and subscribe to my mom's videos and Rob's and my brother's video, and they will call Mom's Adventures with MK, Miriam, and Rob's will be Robert Aranda and .com Adventures. And follow us on Instagram. Right, Mommy? Well, Mom's not talking because she's
doing homework.
Oh, she's not doing homework. I'm like, Grandma. And my mom is just in the back room over there.
Bye.
No, not
It's timed. It's already gonna cut off.
Bye, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Blow it up. I said blow it up.